Okay, so we're boarding the roof in this OSB-free roofing board, which the manufacturer of the rubber roofing recommends you put down. It's a tongue groove board, as you can see. We use the lump hammer and this block of wood to tap them both into each other, and we're using this 5mm polyurethane glue. It goes off nice and quick, so when that's dry it'll sort of form, I don't know if you can see it in the back there, it'll form like a hard yellow lump which we'll take off with multi-tool. We're fixing down with these ring cut galvanised nails, and we're using this air nailer and the makita. So what we're going to do, we're going to board the full roof, then we're going to put on the fascias and soffits, which you can see down there in the garden, and then we'll put the rubber on. So I'll give you a little demonstration now. We'll do all that as well if you keep watching. Thank you. What we're going to do now, we're going to put on the soffits and fascias. The soffit's the underside, so we'll put an UPVC ridged black board in there. We've pinned that to the underside, and then we're going to drop on this full replacement fascia soffit here with these poly top nails. So what I'm going to do there is a little tip for you. Just if you sit the nail like that and then stand it up like that and then hammer it in, and then use your hammer as a spacer, and then everything looks right and proportionate. Okay, so we're going to get fascias and trims on, and then we'll trim all them off, and then we'll do rubber. So all the fascias on now, what I'm going to do is go around with this multi-tool and just trim off the top of that, and I will go around and take all the glue off with the multi-tool as well, and any burrs that have come up from when the nails have gone down. So the rubber's been on the roof, we've let it sit on the roof to acclimatise there and stretch itself out a little bit. So what you need to do now is roll half of it back, like a carpet, and then what we'll do, we'll apply the glue and then push the rubber over that and roll it onto it and push any bubbles out with the brush. I've also put on the back this 2-part gutter trim, if you can see that. So that needs to go on first as well. So that's the rubber fully bonded down to the roof. What we're going to do now is go around, cut off the excess, and manufacturer says to cut off and leave 50mm hanging over, and then the trims will go around and cover that, and also it'll give enough for the 2-part gutter trim to trap the rubber in there, and that's it basically. So that's the 2-part gutter trim on. That bit there, I don't know if you can see that in there. So what happens is that bit there traps the rubber into there, it comes over and it sits like that. It's then trapped in there, and then your water runs down there into your gutter. So these are the trims that go over the edge there. So what happens is that just sits over the edge like that, and it holds the rubber down as well there. And where you've got a joint, put this little joining piece on like such. So that goes like that. That pops into that. And there you go, that's your joint. So they've got a little hole in like this, I don't know if you can see that there. It's elongated like that, so you put your nail in there, but you put it in the centre and you don't send the nail all the way home, so when the sun gets on it, it starts to expand, it can still move. And these are what we're nailing it on with, these ring cut poly top nails. these are the preformed corners, so they go over like that, and then a couple of little poly top nails, and then all them in place. So that's it, rubber's on the roof now, all the fascias and soffits and trims are on, and we're watertight now. We can crack on with inside now.